Vishveshwaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, has received an overall rating of 4.1 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the MSc courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting with the placements rated 3.6 out of 5 stars. Recruiters such as Reliance Industries, Asian Paints, Unacademy, Byju's, Tata Chemicals, Lupin, Cipla, and Dr. Reddy's actively hire from the institute as per students. Top roles include Research Associate and Analytical Chemist. While the highest package offered was 10.44 lakh per annum in 2024, the average stood at 7.47 lakh per annum, reflecting a 33% increase from 2022. Compared to MNNIT Allahabad, VNIT still lags behind in terms of the average packages offered to MSc graduates. For internships, students secure placements at Hindustan Unilever, Bharat Petroleum, GSK, and R&D Labs. Moving on now to the academics, where VNIT offers a 4.1 rated MSc program in 3 specializations: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. The eligibility requires 60% in UG, with admissions based on the joint admission test for masters conducted by IITs. A quick look at the 2024 CCMN closing cutoff ranks reveals intense competition for mathematics compared to physics and chemistry. As for the cost, the total course fees for the 2-year program is around 62,000 rupees, with the annual hostel charges at 65,000 rupees. Government scholarships are available for the economically disadvantaged and reserved category students. Moving on now to the 4.4 star rated infrastructure. The 215-acre campus is well connected and features spacious classrooms, advanced laboratories, and a library with campus-wide Wi-Fi. The institute also has partnership with Siemens for centers of excellence and offers 12 hostels providing single double accommodation options. Sports facilities like cricket, football, a gym, and a swimming pool are available along with medical services. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.3 stars. Students commend the highly qualified and supportive faculty members, many of whom hold PhDs. The curriculum is industry-focused, incorporating research, industrial visits, and a partnership with ISRO for a space technology incubation center. VNIT's research emphasis has contributed to the development of notable alumni, including the pioneer behind India's first supercomputer, Param. Moving on now to the 4.3 rated campus life. It is engaging, with student clubs conducting events around the year. Major highlights include the annual Tech Fest Axis, Cultural Fest Arohi, Entrepreneurship Summit, and TEDx events. Lastly, as for the rankings, VNIT Nagpur is currently positioned 77th in the overall NIRF category. For more details on VNIT Nagpur and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.